This is my 2015 Yamaha FZ-07 or MT-07. This is going to be a tutorial on how to replace the air filter on the FZ-07 or MT-07. Okay, I already got the panel off. So the bolts that you'll need to remove is, first of all, obviously the seats. Then you have one bolt here and one here, two under the seats, plus two under this plastic trim here, and one here and one here. Clip here. It'll be easier to remove this from under the seat. You'll have more access to the pin. So we got these four bolts on the bottom of the tank removed. Two on this side, two on this side. The next step is to remove the plastic, this tank cover here and here, and loosen this 12mm bolt so you'll be able to pivot the tank, and you can remove the top cover of the snorkel to get the air filter out. Head bolts here to remove on top of the snorkel, and disconnect this vent tube. Once you get that off, you should be able to get the snorkel right off, and then you have one more Phillips head that's holding the air filter in place. So this is the, I don't know if you can see this, but it's full of black gunk on the inside. But this has 30,000 kilometers. Well, yeah, 30,000 kilometers on it. And this is the new K&N filter. It comes pre-oiled, and you will not need this screw anymore. So you'll just, this one just slides. got the air filter installed and the plastics back on the bike. It took around 30 minutes, and all the tools that you'll need is a 12mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and the Allen key set that comes with the bike. I had a really bad intake backfire problem, and replacing the air filter seems to solve that. So I hope this video helps someone out, and thanks for watching.